Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to install tire stickers on the Daytona. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your tires are super clean. And I can't stress that enough. You don't get them clean enough, your stickers are going to start peeling and you're not going to be happy that you spent $120 on peeling stickers. So what we're going to do is we're going to give them a good clean with the Meguiar's wheel and tire cleaner. So we're going to get a tire clean and a wheel clean at the same time. Can't beat that. But before we use this, we're going to power wash the tires to get all the dirt off. Then we're going to hit it with this. And this stuff, all you got to do is let it sit for 30 seconds. No longer, 30 seconds, and spray it off. So here we go. All right guys, so we're going to hit each tire with high pressure soap and rinse to start with. I'll get back to you when I'm done. All right guys, so I just got done washing off the tires. Power wash with soap and then rinse. You don't need to do it very long, just enough to get all the loose stuff off and the brake dust. So we're done with that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hit it with the Meguiar's wheel and tire cleaner. So here we go. We're going to soak we're just going to hit the tire. We'll go ahead and do the wheels too. Let me get her opened up here. All right, here we go. Don't be afraid to get too much on there. There we go, we got a nice coat, it's foaming up. You only want to let this stuff sit on your tire and wheels for 30 seconds and then rinse. So we're going to get the power washer fired up here real quick like. Now we're going to power wash, rinse the wheel and tire. We're going to do this to all 4 tires. Don't forget, only leave that Meguiar's wheel and tire cleaner on for 30 seconds, no longer. Get it rinsed. All right guys, we got all the tires power washed, rinsed, and then sprayed with the Meguiar's cleaner. And then rinse that off, all 4 tires. Now we're ready for the next phase of the cleaning prep, which I can't stress enough. You want to take your time with the cleaning preparation. That's the key to a good adhering surface for your stickers, or it's not even worth doing it. So here we go, we're on to the next phase of this process. We're going to leave the car wash here, and I'm going to do the rest of the preparation in a garage, which isn't necessary, but I have access to one. If you don't, you can do it outside, no big deal. Either way. So with that said, on to the next step. All right, I've got the car jacked up now. and I'm going to take the tire off. It's not necessary, but while I'm doing the tire stickers, I'm going to be double tasking and also doing another mod. So off comes the wheels. Alright, so my Mickey Thompson drag radials have raised lettering. So that's where I want my stickers to go. And on the opposite side, oh, we got a little helper here. Desi. Yeah, you can help me put my stickers on? Huh? So, raised lettering is not good for applying tire stickers. So what I'm going to do is take a grinder and grind these letters off, make it a nice flat surface for the stickers to adhere to. You can also use sandpaper if you want to spend 8 hours sanding off rubber. So let's commence with the grinding. Alright, so I got the grinder here ready to go, and we're going to very carefully grind off one letter at a time. Get that nice and flat. Alright, this grinder's taking these letters off, smoothing them down real nice. We're nice and flush. Stickers ought to go on real good. Alright, so we got all the letters grinded off. And the area where their stickers are going. So now we're going to take some acetone and we are going to clean these tires probably 4 or 5 times. We'll see how it goes. Basically what you want to do is, starting with a white rag, and you want to continue to wipe them down until there's hardly any black coming off the tire, and that's when it's time to put the stickers on. So I'm gonna pour a little acetone on the rag and start wiping. Alright, so I got some acetone on the rag, and you just wipe. See that crap? So I got to come off. So I'm going to continue to clean this tire until there's not a whole lot of black stuff coming off of it. And then we'll be ready to put them stickers on. Let's take a look at what's in the kit. And this is a Tredwear tire sticker kit. Got a couple of Tredwear stickers. Looks like our little template deals. We can line up the letters lined up before we put them on the tire. I'm a young man. I got a little money in the bank. I just want to go someplace, see something different. Yeah, 2 packets of glue. Where I don't think he's places I can go to St. Louis, Kansas City, letters. Cincinnati. Cincinnati. What would you want to go to Cincinnati? I don't want to go to Cincinnati. That's what I think is the matter with me. I don't want to go to Cincinnati. Invoice. I like it here. So now, ain't no way to figure it out right here. Alright, so here's how we're going to apply the glue to the letters. Put a little dab on there. And you want to work it around. Swirl it around, and then when you get to the edges, you want to work it out toward the edge of the letter. Just like that. You don't need a whole lot of glue down. Just make sure you work it out toward the edge of the letter. That way you know you've got glue on the very edge, so you don't have any peeling. Alright, we got the letter all glued. All our glue down on the letter. So here's how we're going to apply it. I'm going to have to switch hands real quick with the phone. Alright, here we go. So you want to get your letter lined up as close as you can. Okay, we got the letter down. Don't press down on it until you're absolutely ready, because this stuff sticks quick. I'm pretty happy with that spot. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to get it a little bit better there. Okay. So when you get it where you want it, you just start tapping on it. Start tapping. About 20 seconds or so. You know, press down on it a little bit. And we're good. Alright, so here's a finished product. One thing I forgot to mention in the video earlier is this piece of sandpaper that comes with the tire stickers themselves. You want to make sure you sand down the tire exactly where you're going to put the letters. It gives it a better, more of a porous area, surface on the tire for better adhesion. Turned out pretty good. The time I took on them, hopefully they will last quite a while. I'll be doing reviews on them in the future. The letters are a little dirty right now. Got a little dirty during the process, so I need to clean them up. They'll be white again. Looking good. So I hope this video was useful to anybody considering tire stickers. Thanks for watching. Alright, here's the finished product. Got about 2.5 hours into each tire. That's not including the car wash time. I got about 12 hours into this tire letter installation. And I did a little caliper cover painting at the same time. Turned out pretty good. So I'll be updating from time to time on these Tredwear tire stickers to update on how they hold up. So I've heard good things about the Tredwear tire stickers, so the amount of time I put into the prep for these things, I'm hoping that they last quite a while. So stay tuned